Good morning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a PDF from Canvas and mark it up to answer it. The first step is going to be to locate your Canvas course and the assignment that has the PDF in it. So for this, I'm going to click on the Language Arts course and go to Thank You, Ma'am. When I'm in Thank You, Ma'am, sometimes you are going to see where it says Thank You, Ma'am, plot questions.pdf. Whenever you see a document that says .pdf, you will do the next steps that I'm going to show you in order to mark it up. So I'm going to click on the document and then it's going to open it up for me. You'll see here that, hold on one moment. Let me pause this. You'll see here that I am in this new document, and then I can't write on it yet. So in order to do that, you're going to go up here. This is called the Share button. It's a box with an arrow. When you click on this, it's going to open down and you're going to find many options. Go to the one that says Mark Up. It's going to reopen the document and allow you to mark it up. You'll see the tools at the bottom to help you, and you can click on it, circle answers, erase answers. You can also do, if you go to the plus sign here, oops, wrong button, plus sign, it gives you an option for a text box. So if you need to write an answer, this allows you to do that. And then to get rid of it, you just do a one finger click and click delete. To switch through pages over here, you can do that. This is an example of a writing. We'll do this together, so don't worry about that quite yet for this story. And then to get rid of it, you're going to go up to this markup button. Markup button, and just click out of it and press the Share button again and go to Save to Files. You have an option just to save it on your iPad, or you can create a new folder. I'm just going to create a new folder and title it English. That way anything for English class can be put into this when it's file PDF download. You'll press done and then save, making sure you're in that folder. And then you'll press done again. Just to make sure I saved it, I'm going to click Save File to, English class folder, save. Alright, I did save it, so I'll just replace it. And that is how you download a PDF and mark it up. To double check, you can find the Files app, and you'll see it there. And I hope this helps. Let me know if you need anything.